Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to build a landing page with Carrd. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in Carrd. Then click on the first site, that is carrd.co. Simple, free, fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything. Click on this link and it is going to take you to this page where you will see these options. Click on choose a starting point. Then you'll be landed on this page. You will see a list of options at the top, and in order to create a landing page, you'll have to choose landing from this. You can also click on blank page and start from scratch, but choosing landing and selecting a template will help you get an idea for what a landing page will look like. So I'm going to choose from any one of these landing pages and click on select. When I click on select, this is going to open that specific landing page in the editing side. Now this is the Carrd editing section. Here you can edit all the elements on your landing page. So we have all these tools at the top right corner. Click on this plus icon and you can add text, list, image, button, video, link, audio, icons, gallery, table, timer, divider, slideshow, form and widget. In order to add any elements, you will have to just navigate to the section where you want to add it. For example, I will left click on this section, choose plus and add image. And as you can see, I just added this area for adding an image on this section. I'll click on upload, choose an image from my PC and click on open. Now I will crop this image, click on accept. And as you can see, I just added this image on my landing page. Now click on the text at the top. Here, you can enter your site's name. You can remove this text by selecting this and clicking on the delete button. Now choose this text, select it all, and here you will have to enter the description of your landing page. So choose your description, copy it, paste it, and you will see the description appearing just right here. Now click on done, and this is the icon. Select it, click on add, and you can add another icon here. For example, if you want an email icon on your landing page, you'll have to select email and then click on done. Select this section again, click on add, choose the type and select another one, then click on done. So you can add any number of icons you want on your landing page. Now click on this text icon, remove this, click on done, and you can also delete any unwanted elements from your website. Now you'll have to scroll down, click on add icon, click on gallery, click on add, now click on upload and select various images to upload on your landing page. Now you can click on the plus icon again and choose any kind of element you want for your landing page just by clicking on that element, the element's type and entering that element just right here. And you would have successfully added a list of elements and completed your landing page. Now you'll have to click on this play icon, that is preview animations, and you'll be able to see how your website is going to look like after the animation is done. Now click on this mobile view and you'll be able to see how your landing page will look like on a mobile phone. After it's done, you'll have to click on the save icon at the top, enter the title, description, and choose the action to publish it, then select the option to save. After you click on save, your landing page will be successfully published. So that's how you make a landing page with Carrd. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.